I have a new item to show you today. This is a UK power adapter, so let's take a look at the box. This is the name of the company that makes this product, and let's go ahead and take a look at it. Here it is. It is a UK power plug adapter. So what it does is it takes 110 and converts it to 240, but also it's the plug adapter because in countries outside of United States you have different plugs. So this one would be for when they say UK, that would be Ireland, Scotland, England, Wales. So that's what that looks like. And then on this side, that's where you plug in your USA plugs. You get 2 of them, but there's more. You also, I like this, you have 2 USB ports. A feature that this has that's pretty nice, this is mainly for like phones or tablets and stuff like that. It has a little bit of a lip here, see that? So when you have it plugged in the wall and it's flat against the wall, you plug in your device, and then you have enough, it gives you just enough space against the wall that you can just lean it like that. Okay, so my thoughts on this are, number one, very affordable. The price on this is very inexpensive. 2, lightweight, and 3, small in size, so it doesn't take up hardly any space inside your suitcase. So I'm excited to try it out when I get to travel again, but I definitely think it's worth checking out. The link for it below the video, so you can go also check it out as well. And thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. If you like this video, feel free to hit subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Bye.